Over 95% filter efficiency. 4-layer design. CE FFP3 approved. One size design. Non-woven fabric. More than 50% effective protection against COVID droplets over cloth masks. Comfortable fit. Simply unfold the mask and pull the elastic bands outward to position the mask onto your face. The mask is made with high-quality, non-woven material that feels comfortable on the skin and provides easy breathing, making it ideal for lengthy wear times. Non-leak technology give the ultimate protection. This face mask can be used by individuals in many public spaces, such as restaurants, travel or commuting, and the office. An adjustable nose bridge provides a custom fit to filter out contaminants. Ear loops allow for a snug fit with moderate elasticity and a one-size design that fits most faces. KN95 face masks offer greater than 95% filter efficiency to protect users from droplets and other airborne contaminants. KN95, the choice of professionals.